Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the blower motor in this 2001 Toyota Echo. If this video is helpful, you smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is take the glove box out. So this basically just pulls out. This kind of push in, push in and pull, there we go. And then we're going to take out the ECU, which is that bolt right there. And I think there should be another one right there that's already taken out. All right, now we need to take this out. So we're gonna take out, there's a screw that is right here that you're gonna take out, a screw that's right here that you're gonna take out, and then there's a screw behind this thing right here that you're gonna take out. So that's 3 screws. And then you'll pull this thing back and push this wire out of the way, and then you might need to pry in right here, but this will pop down like this and you'll be able to take this out like that. Set that off to the side, and then there's going to be this screw, and that screw that you're going to take out, and your blower motor will pull down. There's a plug right here. You can squeeze this clip and pull this and unplug it. And then you pull that down and you can put your new one in. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. If I can find them, I'm going to link to some Amazon links to where you can get a new blower motor and stuff. Maybe a new cabin filter, which is right here, that just pulls out. That's all there is to it. Have a good one.